Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sources to a notebook in NotebookLM. So let's say you've created a notebook and you want to add sources on a particular topic. You're going to want to go to Add. Now, if you just created the notebook, or if you've created the notebook but haven't added sources yet, there's a good chance that when you open the notebook, it will automatically pop up the window for adding sources. I had that open. I closed it just so that I could open it here. If you click on Add, you'll get this window. And there's a number of different options here. The first one is upload sources. If you've got sources on a thumb drive, if people still use those, a hard drive, somewhere, just any kind of file. Notice that certain types of files are supported here: PDFs, text files, markdown pages, and audio files that are. The example here is MP3, but I believe other audio file formats are supported. You can upload those from whatever location they are on your computer or whatever your device, or you can select Google Docs, Google Slides. You can give it a link to a website. You can even give YouTube videos as a source. So if you click on YouTube, you can paste the URL for a particular YouTube video. You can also use copied text as a source. So if you found something online and you're like, hey, I really like what it says here, copy it, you can add it as a source. One thing to know here is there is a limit of 300 sources per notebook. And keep in mind that is per notebook. But 300 is an awful lot of source material. So my guess is you probably won't be running into any issues with that 300 source limit. But if you can add a ton of different things, tons of different file formats, and really get a diverse collection of data on which to train the AI for this particular notebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.